What's going on, everybody? How you doing today? My name's Bert. Welcome to GreensThings. Welcome back. Today we're gonna make some peanut butter cookies. Super soft. You gotta love it. Let me show you what we're doing here. So here we go. We got basically the most of our ingredients here. Getting all prepared. Got some good light right there. Got the blender getting ready to be fired up. We're gonna get all these ingredients, and one by one, we're gonna go through this and we're gonna make these delicious peanut butter cookies. All right, stand by and we'll get right to it. In a medium bowl, combine your flour, baking soda, and your salt, and whisk it up real nice and set it aside. All right, and now what we're going to mix together in a different bowl, you're going to cream together your butter, peanut butter, brown sugar, and your granulated sugar. We're going to cream this together with our mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. All right, go ahead, add in your eggs. And don't forget, put in your vanilla. Now you're gonna go ahead, turn your blender back on again, and you're gonna let this combine for a little bit longer, maybe about another minute, minute and a half. Hey guys, I just want to give you a reminder while you're mixing your stuff. Make sure to scrape around the edge of the bowl a couple times so that all of your ingredients can be combined. You don't want it to ride up on the edge and have ingredients that are not combined. So make sure you mix everything in. All right, next step, take your dry ingredients and you're gonna fold it in. You're gonna mix it in with the wet ingredients, but do not over combine everything. Hey, another thing, while you're combining the wet and the dry together, make sure you're very careful. Do not miss any of the dry mixture from the other bowl, transferring it to combine it together in this bowl. Go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you will either lightly grease a baking sheet, or you can line it with a baking mat or parchment paper. Okay, now that we got all this mixed up together, nice and combined, here comes the fun part. Okay, so roll them into little balls, whatever size that you wish to make them. Keep in mind, the larger you make these, when you press them down, it's going to make a larger cookie as well. Depending on how far you want your batter to go, how many dozen or how many cookies you want to be able to get out of what you've made. You're going to go ahead, roll them around in a little bit of sugar before you put them down, and then we're about to transfer. Once I get enough, we're going to transfer them to the cookie sheet. All right, like I said before, you're gonna press these down before you end up putting them in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and press all these down. You're gonna put them in the oven between 8 and 9 minutes. Make sure you don't over bake them. All right, let's go. Oven ready, time to bake. Okay, here we go, 9 minutes later, maybe a couple seconds over. And here we go right here. Cooked to perfection, okay? Before you take them off the baking mat, make sure that you've allowed them to cool down a little bit. You can put them onto racks like these if you have something like this, or a traditional cooling rack, that's acceptable as well. Oh, hey. How you doing, everybody? Hey, thanks for joining in today. I certainly do always appreciate anyone coming to either join the channel, watch the videos. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. We'll get more videos out to you as soon as I can. You have a wonderful day and take care.